If your Shopify account has been restricted, you may need to appeal the decision to regain access. Follow these steps to effectively submit your appeal. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure the verification details are ready. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect all necessary information related to your account, including your store name, email address associated with the account, and any relevant transaction details. This information will support your case in the appeal. Step 3. Draft your appeal. Write a clear and concise appeal letter. Explain why you believe the restriction is unwarranted. Provide any evidence that supports your claim, and express your willingness to comply with Shopify's policies moving forward. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Send your appeal to Shopify's support team through the appropriate channel, usually via email or the support portal. Make sure to include all relevant details in your appeal letter. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with Shopify support team. Be polite and reiterate your request for assistance regarding the account restriction. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on Shopify requires careful attention to detail and clear communication. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of a successful appeal.